How to remove volume limit on Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can remove or increase the volume limit on Android device. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up settings in your device. After that, head over to sound and vibration, tap on it. Now under sound and vibration, scroll through the option and then search for an option as volume or media volume limiter. If you can find the option under your settings, you have to tap on it. After that, you will see volume limit or safe volume. You have to toggle that off. You may be prompted to enter your PIN. Make sure to type in your PIN. But if this option is not available in your Android device, now you could go to the developer option in your mobile device. Head back to your settings page, scroll down, tap on the system and head towards the developer option. Now once you're under the developer option, tap on the search icon at the top right corner and in the search bar, search for absolute volume. Head over to this disable absolute volume option. So here what you have to do is simply you have to enable this option for disable absolute volume, and this will separate volume control for phone and your Bluetooth devices. So this is also another way in order to remove the volume limit on your Android device if you cannot or if you do not have the direct option under your settings in your system. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.